Our pre-calc. Today we're going to be talking about how to find vertical asymptotes. So in this particular problem, the first thing that's always a good bet is to factor. So if I look at the numerator, I see 2, 30, and 108. So definitely could factor out a 2. So it's going to be with x squared plus 30 divided by 2 is 15. And then 108 divided by 2, if you don't know this, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we're left with this. And then we can factor. We're going to attempt. I have not done this problem before, so I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm definitely going to attempt to factor this right here. And I'm going to say 9 times 6 is 54. And look at that, 9 plus 6 is 15, so that factors out okay. I'm going to go to the denominator now. And so just to be clear here, this is, I've just factored the numerator and then factor the numerator, and then I'm like, well, I've done the numerator enough, so now I can go to the denominator. Here, this is the difference of squares, which means if you can take the square root of both of these, you do so, you write it twice, plus minus. Okay, so all those algebra skills you've picked up over the years, they got to stay. They got to stay in your head. And so now we're going to look to see if you have any holes. Okay, so a hole would happen as if I could cancel something out like this, right? But clearly that's not the case. To cancel out, they got to be the same. So that's not the case. We don't have any holes, so that just means the denominator is going to be my vertical asymptotes. So we can say 2x plus 3 equals 0, and 2x minus 3 equals 0. And those would be where the holes are, so x equals negative 3 over 2, and x equals 3 over 2. Okay, so essentially if you have a hole, then it divides out and you get 0 over 0. We have vertical asymptote, it's when the denominator is 0. And those are our two vertical asymptotes. So hope that makes sense, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Awkward silence. This is me just double checking to make sure the answers are correct. All right, bye-bye.